Hello everyone. Today, we're stepping into the world of cutting-edge construction technologies, where both the machinery and materials used have undergone significant advancement. Try picturing a construction site stripped of technology. Imagine managing without electrical tools, heavy machinery, or state-of-the-art materials. Quite a challenge, isn't it? That's why technology holds a crucial role in the construction industry. In this video, we're eager to showcase some fantastic technologies currently reshaping construction practices. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button if you enjoy the video. First up, we introduce the flexible brick. The flexible brick we're about to discuss makes an excellent choice for facade cladding. It allows for the creation of an extremely realistic brick effect in a simple, quick manner. The result is not just aesthetically pleasing, but also impressively durable. Next, let's explore the brick-making machine. This cost-effective device is a game-changer in brick production. Although non-automatic, it efficiently produces large quantities of bricks, blocks, or pavers in a single day, matching the performance of its larger counterparts. Moving forward, we present the LiteForm insulating concrete forms. LiteForm offers builders and homeowners energy-efficient, high-performance building systems that result in time and cost savings. They provide pre-assembled ICF block forms suitable for single or multi-story residential or commercial projects. With features such as continuous polypropylene fastening strips and pre-molded corners, setup and bracing become a breeze. Now let's look at the photovoltaic tile. This innovation beautifully blends the practicality of traditional clay tiles with cutting-edge photovoltaic technology without disrupting the tile's original appearance. The system harnesses sunlight and converts it into electricity, a process known as photovoltaics, making it an eco-friendly, efficient solution. Next in line is the Polyurea coating technology. This quick hardening 2-component 100% pure polyurea coating system delivers a flexible aromatic coating. It's specifically designed to serve as a protective and waterproof layer for a range of substrates, highlighting its versatility. Now, onto the concrete mixer. Eterra's mini concrete mixers streamline the process of concrete mixing. They allow users to scoop up material, mix it while mobile or stationary, and then distribute it, saving substantial time on small and medium castings. Finally, we have the plastering machine. This machine significantly enhances plastering efficiency. While traditional methods limit a worker to covering only 20 square meters, this machine allows 2 workers to manage up to 1,000 square meters in just 10 hours. Furthermore, the machine can operate without interruption, boosting overall productivity.